Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in TYBA English compulsory class. Students, as you know, the very pathetic situation is arise due to COVID-19. So all of we are bounded to have online lectures, and I think you will enjoy the online lectures and do well. So this is our first lecture, and in the first lecture we will discuss regarding syllabus prescribed by our university. So first of all, I will tell you that University of Pune has prescribed this syllabus, and um, while prescribing this syllabus, the Board of Studies has determined some objectives for TYB students. So objective number one is here to introduce students to the best uses of language in literature. Number two, to familiarize students with the communicative power in English. Number three, to enable students to become competent user of English in real life situations. So when after completion your graduation, all of you enter in the world of competition, and if you don't have enough knowledge in English, you cannot survive. That's why number four, to expose students to varied cultural experiences through literature. So some parts of literature is prescribed in the syllabus, you will see. It will tell you, it will teach you that the cultural experiences. So the cultural elements, uh, what you will learn out of that cultural elements helps you to live a very beautiful life. Okay. Number five, to contribute to their overall personality development by improving their communicative and soft skill. So these are some objectives, and as you know, um, our university has prescribed the text for TYB English compulsory class. Its title is Literary Pinnacles, which is composed by the editorial board of editors, and publication is Orient Blackspan. So let me tell you the exam pattern. It is very similar to SYBA. There is no change. As you know, it is 80-20 pattern. So term and examination is for 20 marks, and term second, including first term, it is university examination for 80 marks. So university plus internal 20 plus 80. So there will be a result. So see, this syllabus is divided into two parts: term one, term second. In term one, you have some parts of these sections. Now what are these sections? There is a prose section, number one, prose section. Okay. Then you have uh, section number two, poetry section. Then again, section number three, language component. And after that, um, you have uh, some introduction to soft skills. Okay. So these sections are prescribed by our university. So first, for first term, you will have to study uh, in prose section for first term. Okay. For first term, there is a prose section. There is unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, and unit number 4. So which are they? So for first term, you will study, you will learn prose section. Number 1, Uncle Podger hangs a picture. Number 2, how wealth accumulates and men decay. Number 3, retrieved information. And number 4, how much land does a man need? So from prose section, these four proses are for first term. And in poetry section, you have first three poems, uh, poem number 9, poem number 10, poem number 11. So it is poem number 9 is All the World is a Stage, number 10 La Belle Dame Sans Mercy, number 11 Charge of the Light Brigade. So these are three poems from poem section for first term. And in a language component, now this language component which contains some sections and subsections. And um, in language component you will study transformation of sentences, declarative sentences, in which some sub topics are here: declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences. So these are for first term. And again an introduction to communication skill, in which you will study defining communication, the process of communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, and number 4 tips for effective communication. So all these topics and subtopics are for term 1. So you will study all these topics for first term. And in second term, you have prose and poetry, language components, and soft skills. These are some topics and subtopics. So for second term, you have uh, prose. Now which are they? Prose number 5, prose number 6, 7, and 8. Number 5 is On the Rule of the Road, Pleasure of Ignorance. Number 6, Pleasure of Ignorance. Number 7, The Selfish Giant. Number 8, The Diamond Necklace. So these are four proses from prose section prescribed for second term. Then in poetry section you have four poems. Poem number 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So see, poem number 12, How Much Do I Love You? Poem number 13, Afterwards. Poem number 14, The Ballad of Father Gilligan. Poem number 15, If. Poem number 16, The Psalm of Life. So these are from poetry section. These poems are prescribed for second term. And the language skills and the soft skills, these are sections prescribed for second term. It contains the language components. Presentation skill is there. It has some subtopics: kinds of presentation, structuring content, visual aids, the language of presentation, making a presentation. All these subtopics are for second term in language components. uh, Fourth section is Introduction to Soft Skills. So it has some subtopics: Introduction to Soft Skill, in which you have to study uh, leadership skills, teamwork skills, time management, goal setting, stress management, positive attitude. So all these six points, six subtopics belongs to Introduction to Soft Skill. So all these syllabus is prescribed for second term. And you have an experience of SYBA class. So regarding examination pattern, I think it will be inappropriate to discuss about that. Regarding term and examination, which is of 60 marks, it will be converted into 20 out of 20. Again, there is a university paper for 80 marks. So 80 marks and 20 marks. So there will be a result including out of 80 and out of 20. Okay. So this is regarding syllabus. And if possible for you, just try to purchase a copy of prescribed textbook. The title of the textbook, as I said earlier, is the title of the book is Literary Pinnacles. Literary Pinnacles. So uh, we will stop here for today. Next lecture and its time will be declared soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.